Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We invite our leaders. Don't mind each time you're watching on television, we are talking. We say we are doing this, we are doing that. You come down and see whether it is true what we have told you, what I've been saying on television, whether it is correct or not. And that's what we are doing today. And that's what I've encouraged the federal government of APC. So look, this is what PDP as a party, PDP governors are doing. Encourage your own too to do the same thing. Let Nigerians see it. Let Nigerians watch and compare who is doing better. Is it PDP or APC? There are a lot of 3Ds. I can tell you, some people signed a memorandum of understanding with Julius Berger. Julius Berger was never awarded a contract. But in their documentary, they were showing Julius Berger as Farting Road. Meanwhile, no contract was signed with Julius Berger. So nobody can tell us that, look, you are doing something that we cannot see. Here is seeing is believing. Unfortunately, I read this today. Ordinarily, I'm going to reply. But the time has come when you must tell people where they belong. Tell them where they belong, put them there. When people say the presidency, the president spoke to us the other day, and the Nigerians were happy the way he spoke to them. And he told us the truth. And the truth is that, look, whether I like it or not, I have nothing again to offer Nigeria. And that was the truth. And people must agree to that. Nobody can deny that fact. No matter how Arans may have edited and edited and edited. The truth of the matter is that we know that the president has told us clearly, gentlemen, as I speak to you now, I have nothing again to offer this country. And so when I see people who call themselves media assistants, Garba Shehu, who are them, talking about PDP governors, with all due respect, he should know where he belongs to. If Nigeria is a country where people who have integrity should serve, of course, nobody will tell Shehu Garba to do anything. But it's unfortunate. This is a country where anybody who comes from, people who are serious betrayal of those who have made them. Of those who have made them. All of us know. You know, people who talk left and right at the same time. I mean, there's nothing wrong what the PDP governor said. We talked about the NPC. So what? Yes. Whatever money you make, bring it to the federation account. What is wrong in that? Yes. That the loan is getting too much. What is wrong in that? Is anything wrong in saying that the loan is getting too much? So, what do you mean that it takes something? In fact, our business is not to help you. We are not here to help you. Because you said you had a solution to Nigerian problem. Now if they say we should come and help you, why should we help you? We want you to get out from the place where you are. So the right party will take its position. And you are telling me to come and help you. How much are you going to pay us to help you?
Wicked, you are the one Nigeria is waiting for. Yes, sir. You are the one. You are the one. Wicked, you are the one Nigeria is waiting for. You are the choice of us.
So when people are saying, oh, PDP did not provide any solution. Is it our position to provide solutions to you? You are the one who said you have done all your researches. You've done all your work. As you come in, you are going to solve the problem. And now you are telling me that look, PDP governors did not provide solution. Wait for us to give you solution to remain in power. We are tired. Are we not tired? We are tired. So, Garba Shehu, who speaks for presidency or whatever you call it, if you want me to give you solution, come and meet us very well. We'll give you the solution to solving Nigeria's problem. If today you said Nigerians we are quitting, you see PDP will bring the solutions that will solve the problems of this country. You have misled the country. You told us lies through social media. The same social media that you use to take over government. In social media now, you want to regulate and ban. The same social media you use to tell Nigerians lies. How Jonathan did not do this. How PDP did not do that. Now you don't want the same social media. No more freedom of speech. Now you want to gag them. Did anybody gag you when you were using them? So, and I'm sure Rivers people know the truth. You cannot continue to deceive us. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. So, all of you who think that you have the media to tell us lies, time is up. Time is what? Up. Pack and go. Pack and go. Nigerians are tired. I am tired. I am tired. It's because of them I've left government house. I'm tired. It's because of them. I'm tired. Government that tells you story every day. Look at today. What happened in Federal Government College in Kebbi? Kidnap how many girls? Almost 40 girls, 50 girls. Our young daughters. Kidnap them. And then you're telling me that we have not profound solution. Which solution are you talking about? Whose solution? The president is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He's the president that appoints all the security heads in this country. No governor has any power, any role to appoint even a commissioner of police. And then you are telling me that we have not provided any solution. What solution do you want us to provide? When you have taken your oath of office, that you are going to guarantee the lives and property of Nigerians. What APC governors were meeting to say how Buhari will fix their convention. The chairman of Governors Forum, they have kidnapped for 40, 50 people in his state. What a country is this? You wake up every morning, 20 people have been kidnapped, 30 people have been kidnapped. And people are telling us to keep quiet. Is it when they have kidnapped your own daughter? As Special Guest of Honor, we are tired. We are tired. Let me invite you to come and talk to your people, not to listen to all these lies. Enough is enough. You're the chairman of a party that means well for Nigeria. And people must know that. Anybody who wants to threaten our life, no problem. But nobody holds the life of anybody. It's only Almighty God that will say, you will die today or you will die tomorrow. And so, for us, we must be firm, we must be resolute, and tell Nigerians the simple truth that this party called APC cannot carry us to anywhere. No matter the propaganda they bring, no matter the propaganda.